Today on The Stay-at-Home Chef, we're showing off a recipe for a unique twist on a chicken salad, the pesto chicken salad. Forget about that boring typical chicken salad. This flavorful and refreshing recipe incorporates the vibrant flavors of pesto to elevate your sandwich experience. Get ready to indulge in a mouth-watering combination of tender chicken, toasted pine nuts, tangy sun-dried tomatoes, and the irresistible richness of pesto. To make this recipe, you're going to need 3 cups of cooked chicken. I have pre-cooked leftover rotisserie chicken and it is perfect for this recipe. You're going to want bite-sized pieces of that cooked chicken and then add that straight to a bowl. Alongside the chicken, we're going to add in 1/4 cup of toasted pine nuts. I love the texture and dimension that this adds to the dish. I'm also going to be adding 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onion to that bowl. And then I love the addition of sun-dried tomatoes. These kind have been packed in oil, so they have that additional flavor. I'm gonna finely chop those and add that into there. Now, of course, it's your food, so if you want to omit or add anything, then you should, because your food, you should make it how you want to. Toss the ingredients together to evenly distribute them throughout the salad mixture. Now let's create that pesto sauce mixture. In a separate bowl, combine 1/2 cup of prepared pesto. You can use a store-bought pesto, which makes this recipe super fast, but I am using the recipe that we've got over on our website. Add to your pesto 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. If you want to use sour cream or Greek yogurt, those are wonderful substitutes. Then I'm gonna add in 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, which just brightens it up a tad. Stir the mixture well to ensure all the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Little bit of a tip here, you can adjust the portions of the pesto and the mayonnaise to your liking. Add more pesto for a stronger herb flavor or increase the mayo for a creamier consistency. Next thing we need to do is simply pour the pesto sauce mixture over the bowl of the salad. Mix everything together until the chicken and those other ingredients are coated in that delicious pesto mixture. At this point, taste that chicken salad and then give it some salt and pepper to your preference. Serve this up on a croissant or a lettuce wrap and then you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.